Good morning to everyone. So today I am going to discuss about how to remove physics phobia and get interested in the subject so that you can excel in the examinations. And you all know examination is botheration to Indian nation whose main occupation is cultivation. So we are very much worried about an examination, especially physics examination comes, then we can't sleep throughout the night because we are afraid of physics. But there are some small techniques which you implement, then you can excel in physics and you can become passionate of physics. There will be a lot of interest in reading and excelling in the examinations. So for that I am going to give some of the techniques here. So let me discuss about those techniques here. Welcome to my channel. So the techniques is, first thing is, you should understand there is one scientist whose name is Feynman. So he has given some techniques here. So first let us discuss about what is the pyramid explained by Feynman. So Feynman has given this pyramid here. If you understand here, if you listen to the lecture, 5% you can grasp the subject. And after listening to the lecture, if you read, 10% of the subject you are able to grasp. If there is audiovisual session in of that subject, particular subject, then you are able to grasp 20% of the subject. And if demonstration is also given, then you will grasp 30% of the subject. If there is group discussions, then you will grasp 50% of the subject. And after doing group discussions, performing the group discussions, you can practice the problems and concepts, then you will grasp the subject to 75%. But ultimately, there is a wonderful technique which everyone knows, but they are not going to implement that technique. The foremost and amazing technique is you have to teach others. So if you teach others, you can grasp the subject 90%. I'm asking to the students to learn the subject and explain to their juniors or explain to their brothers who are very new to the concept. With this, they are going to improve the subject of their younger ones, and they are going to improve enormous communication skills even, and you can grasp the subject very easily. So the first simple technique explained by Feynman, who is a great scientist, is if you listen to the lecture and read the subject, and directly you can explain to others. So if you teach others, directly you can grasp the subject to 90%, and the middle stages you can eliminate, you can skip, and the subject which is learned in 6 months, you can learn in 1 month. So this is the benefit of this technique, which is called as Feynman technique. I'll discuss about the technique in details here. The first is Feynman, who is an American scientist. He is a physicist also, and he is called as a great explainer. He has a very, very enormous vision regarding explanation. So he has explained 4 steps here. The first step is pick and study any topic. You select one topic in physics, you have a proper study of that topic here, first of all. The second step is you explain the topic to someone like children who are unfamiliar to the topic. And at their level of understanding, you have to go and explain them in a simple language. If possible, you can explain them in your mother tongue also. Convert that particular topic into your mother tongue and try to explain that topic. So while explaining, your unconscious brain will become activated. You will become super conscious while explaining to someone else. So the subject which you are going to gain will be enormously understood by you, but while explaining you'll get many doubts here. And those doubts can be clarified by returning to the literature and understand better. What is the meaning of this? So once you explain, you'll get many doubts while explaining, and these doubts should be clarified by reading and referring the books related to the particular topic. Instead of selecting one book, you have a broad selection of books and broad selection of topics in various books, and you can refer the books to gain more knowledge. And again, you can go for the first step, that is, you can pick and study the same topic and explain. You have to repeat this process till you will get a crystal clear image of a particular topic here. So these are the 4 steps here. So if you understand these 4 steps, it's very easy to understand how to implement these 4 steps here. So he is a very great scientist who is also called as quantum man. He's a Richard Feynman. He's having a very enormous knowledge in subject, especially physics. And he is a Nobel Prize winner. He has got a very excellent technique in explaining. He is called super explainer. So he says that if you can't explain it simply, then you don't understand it well enough. It's a very excellent quotation he has given. If you implement it, then your life will change here. So if you can't explain it simply, then you don't understand it well enough. And if you want to understand something well, you have to explain it definitely. There is no other alternative. Okay. So the foremost thing he has given, the first principle is that you must not fool yourself, and you are the easiest person to be fooled. Okay. So these are some of the techniques. But when you implement these Feynman techniques, what I experienced in my life from past 20 years is, when you consider an explanation part of any topic, your complete biology is going to change. What do you mean by changing in biology here? Once you explain a particular topic to others, there is a super satisfaction and your biology is going to change. What do you mean by that? There is a lot of dopamine and serotonin, which are called as neurotransmitters. They will be released in your body, and brain will become a super conscious state, which is also called as flow state. And this dopamine will improve your passion towards the subject, and it is called as a feel-good chemical. Dopamine is called feel-good chemical, and serotonin will increase love towards the subject, as it is called as feel-love chemical. So these 2 chemicals which will be released in your body, which will enormously create passion towards any subject, love and affection towards any subject. I am sure if you follow these techniques, you start loving the subject in such a way that no one can compete you. The subject which you are going to learn in 1 year, you learn within months. It's a very super special techniques given by Feynman, and he is a Nobel Prize winner. So thank you for listening to my class. So I hope you'll understand my techniques and try to implement your life and change your lives. Thank you very much.